Hey, I'm Anna, and welcome to Tech Tuesdays. This week, we're having a look at the latest amplifiers from AMC. The iAC range was launched earlier this year, and these amplifiers have a lot to offer. There are 4 models in this range, the single-channel options with the iAC 120, 240, 360, and the dual-channel with the 2x240, all of which are Class D. Each model is available as a Dante version as well, making it the ideal addition to networked installations. Not only this, but the amplifiers are also capable of both low and high impedance, so whether you need a single channel of 100 volt for ceiling speakers in a boardroom or stereo for front of house, you can rely on this range to deliver for any application. Each model is also fully RS-232 controllable, making them easy to integrate with more complex systems with full room control. The entire range is designed to be simple to use and cost-effective whilst meeting all of the demands of modern installations. If you'd like to learn more about these amplifiers, feel free to get in touch. We're always happy to help. See you next time.